Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can backup your photo in the Google Photos app. So if you guys don't have any Google Photo, you guys can download it in your Google App Store or your Apple Store. You guys can search for Google Photos and download it. After you guys done downloading the Google Photos app, you guys can open the application and fill all the requirement needed. After filling up all the requirement, you guys can click the backup option using your Google account or your Google Gmail, and you guys can choose whether you guys want to upload the photo in high quality or in original quality. After that, you guys can just click confirm, and there you go. You guys can the photo that you guys want to upload, or just upload all of your photo in your gallery into your Google Photos account. So if you guys like our video, please help us like and share. And if you guys successfully uploaded all of your photo gallery into the Google Photos application, please leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you.